Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well yesterday. Any given green, I did pretty well. I just logged my profit 42.75 here, made about $900 here. So let's see what we have here. Right now we have two supports. Let me just do that. One is 2035, which I had it from yesterday. If you guys remember yesterday, I said if we didn't bounce from 2060, the one target will be 2052 and the other will be 2035. So we almost touched 2035 here, tested it. This is the dotted blue trend line. I have drawn. You guys can draw that on your thing as well, on your charts as well. This blue guy here, and few targets we have below. One is this 2019 and one is 2035. I think what can happen today is at the open we can see some kind of a buying. We can poke 2052-ish, like somewhere around that, and then go down and break this trend line and then break this and then go for the next leg down. But remember, we do have this target here. We are dragging. I believe from here, from 2000 area, we are dragging to reach to our major trend line, green trend line. Let me do this very quick. This green trend line, we are dragging to test this, but right now it looks like, we before we test this we can get a deeper pullback, or bull case is weak, bulls are dragging. There are aggressive sellers who are taking positions, who are shorting the market in any way. They're in the position, they're in the short position in many ways right now. I was short as well, but I closed my position last week. I was not well, so let's see what we have here. I believe that in the open, we can see some kind of a bounce, poke through this. Basically, we have to test down. Basically, we have, all these tries, one, two, three, one here, here. All these tries are making bull case look very weak, and we are dragging upside. When we are dragging upside, we have to test down. But as of now, in a trading range price action, as of now, let me show you the daily chart here very quick. As of now, we are in a, you can say we are in a tight channel here, and the break of the channel either to the upside or to the downside will be very, very, very aggressive, and the higher probability is that we are going to the downside after testing our this green trend line. So in a bigger picture, in a very bigger picture, we are short. We are making around top here. We will be testing this around this, and it's going to be a trend fall. It's going to be a free fall. We'll be going down, 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 and remember, we have not tested. I mean, I don't know if we will be testing this anytime soon, or this purple trend line. This cannot be a meaningless trend line. There it has to be tested. But let's see. Too soon to say anything. But as of now, if you see here daily chart as well, the bull case is weaker. We are rounding it up here. We might be testing this green trend line and going for the next leg down. I will be shorting this market here as a low probability trade, but a great risk reward ratio guy. So I often do that. Today morning as well, wow, we are at 2043. I sold everything at 2040, 247.75, 42.75. I made about $900. That's fine. So there are chances that we're going to bounce at the open and then go, overall go down in a longer picture. Day traders, we take a couple of points here and there. EMINI is not a swing style for me. It's a scalp style for me. So let's see where we are with gold. And with gold, we have this trend line here, which we are trying to poke. I shorted this trend line, assuming that we can see some kind of a fall here. We can retest the low or something. My stop is here. It's 35 somewhere. Yep. My stop is actually from 4-hour chart. This is my stop. My stop is 137, something like that. So it's very, like, it looks like, if it goes up, it goes up. Like, I often short the trend lines. This is the way I trade. I short the trend lines when it's at the high. I buy the trend lines when it's at the bottom. I buy the support when it's at the bottom. So for me, in a bigger picture, let me do that. I mean, in a bigger picture, if you see here, I think we can see some kind of a might see some kind of a bounce here, but it's a head and shoulder. This is one, this is two, and some kind of a poke here. We are going down, and the market still has to test the green trend line. Let's see what happens. So as of now, shorted this trend line. Hopefully, make some money. I am already positive. I believe so. This looks good to me. So let's see, where do we stand with the oil? With the oil, this green trend line is our breakout point. This guy is our breakout point, so we might test this breakout point and go for some kind of a bounce today, bounce up to 38 or 37ish, some kind of a bounce here today expected. I'm more bullish as of now, looking for a bounce. And something very important here with the monthly chart, I was testing it yesterday. I mean, monthly chart, if you guys look at here, we had tails and we saw this kind of a price action. We have tails, we are way oversold. In a bigger picture, in a longer picture, it's not about making money shorting this oil. There will be a chance when we're gonna see some kind of a blast trend. It's going to it's it I mean, right now, the big companies, the miners, they are not even making money. Their cost is so high that they can't even survive with this kind of a price. So overall economy has to go up. Overall, we cannot be in a dragging economy forever. So right now we have to go up. This guy will be giving us opportunity. Once it completes its bottom, will give us an opportunity to make great money in our long side. So like, shorting the market as of now, shorting the oil as of now, but the bigger picture is it has to retest somewhere higher. Like, so as it goes higher, I will be making money as well. But right now it's a biotech, guys. Biotech. Go for Labu, LABU, go for BIB, go for IBBB, go for options, go for, I don't know what platform you like using, you are comfortable using. That is a guy to be long. That is a guy which can really give us some good risk reward ratio, good rewards. It is ready to explode. So let's make money from the right setup. We do not need to look for swing trades every day. When swing trades come, take a very small position. Buy 10 shares, buy 15 shares, 100 shares, 200, whatever you can buy. At least buy. Like, I mean, looking at a setup and it works will not give you confidence. Putting your own money, putting your own hard-earned money into it and risking it, and then winning over your risk, will give you the power to trade, to take swing trades and be winner. So as of now, please focus on biotech. It's not that I'm saying buy, it's not my recommendation, it's something what I'm doing. If you look at the setup, go for it. Biotech is the guy, guys. All right, good luck everybody. I see you soon, and let's make money. So overall, I'm looking for bounce in this today, on in oil and the start. I'm looking for bounce in the market, and I'm looking for sell off with the gold, and then we'll see which way, who wins. After the tug of war between bears and bulls, whoever wins, I'll be on the side. Thanks. Bye bye.